Hi, I just want to show you guys the a short video demo regarding sa S4 Galaxy S4 V2. This is the upgraded to quad core, but this is a genuine dual core. So in-upgrade lang siya, so hindi siya real quad core talaga. The real quad core is the V3, which is a little bit more expensive. Pero mas maganda din naman kasi talaga siya. Ang difference nila is the life companion. As you can see, medyo shorter yung life companion ng V2. Unlike sa V3 na talagang umaabot hanggang dito. So, Super Kings are very sensitive. Super sensitive yung touch niya. Talagang very soft touch siya. Even the air shuffle. Ay, lipstick. Sample camera capture. This is the front, and then this is the back. Ma-blurred lang yung camera ko, pero malinaw siya. Ang linaw niya, grabe. Ay, nakakaloko. And then, this comes with a photo editor. Built-in. These. As I posted last night, Android version ng S4 is already upgraded into KitKat. This is not a genuine KitKat, but upgraded siya. So, let's see where. So, software updates, model number GT19500, Android version 4.4.2, baseband version, kernel version, build number, lahat makikita nyo sa about device. Then storage. Total space, 8.9 gigabytes. Application, battery, date and time, accounts, backup and reset, my device, yung mga languages, ano pa ba? Mga profile, display, screen mirroring, NFC, yan. Let's check here. So, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, data connection, airplane mode, general silent, smart scroll, auto rotation, multi-windows, smart mirroring, hotspot, S-Beam, NFC, air view, air gesture, hands-free mode, smart stay, smart pause, blocking mode, sync power, saving. Halos wala siyang pinagkaiba sa V3. Although, mas fast browsing lang talaga yung real quad-core na S4 compare dito. Pero sa looks, sa bigat, sa camera, halos same lang. This is detachable. Para ano siya, description para matatanggalin yung plastic. So, that's it, guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye.